So how much does Facebook pays you per views? And we'll be discussing on how you can increase your earning on Facebook. This has been a very big issue and many content creators have been complaining. So please, before I go into this video, I would like to say this. If I'm somebody who breaks down content in detail so that we get the positive side and make great impacts in after watching this video, I don't rush my content, I don't go straight to the point, I break everything gradually. So if you want to learn on how to increase your earning and know how much Facebook pays you per view, please listen to this video to the end. So before we discuss about this video, I would like to tell you about a content creator a popular content creator in Africa called Lucky Udu, who faced similar challenge, and he called out Facebook and started pouring out his heart, complaining and telling Facebook that, why are you guys paying us peanuts before we make millions of dollars or before we make thousands of dollars? But all of a sudden we start seeing peanuts. Why is all this? So this is what he said. Okay, in this letter here, he wrote to Facebook. His name is Lucky Udu, as you can see it here. He said he wrote it to Facebook. He tagged even Facebook for creators and Meta, and he wrote this post on the November 3rd, 2024, around 3:12 p.m. So he wrote many things, including prioritizing of short content over long content, inconsistency enforcement. But this is the point that brought us to this video on how much does Facebook pays you per view and how to increase your earnings. So let's go straight. You can come to his page and read everything for yourself, but for the sake of this video, we'll be going straight to number 6, which talks about new monetization policy tools. Hear what Lucky Udu said around here. He said in the past, let me highlight it so that you can see it. He said in the past, Facebook reward creator based on RPM, which is revenue per miles, and CPM, which is cost per mile. But along this side, he now said, however, with the new Facebook monetization policy tools, many creators, including myself, have seen 70 to 80% drop in revenue, regardless of the content quality or impacts. If you can just go through and understand something. Okay, before this thing happened, content creators do make money on Facebook, even though they just make their money. But all of a sudden, you can still be making millions of views and still seeing peanuts, still seeing so low revenue in your income. And this brought to the attention of somebody like Lucky Udu. Many content creators in Nigeria, everywhere in Africa, have been experiencing similar type of thing. But let me tell you something. Facebook did not stop paying you. They only did something. They really strategized. They adopted the way YouTube, or let me say the Google, pays revenue creators, which is based on niche. This is where niche falls into. Let me go to this place and say it's a Google AdSense pay publisher different amount in different niches depending on several factors. So this is what Facebook adapted to. They just took the way YouTube pays content creators. They don't just pay you based on you getting millions of views. They rather pays you based on the value of your niche. So let me say this thing. Let me use Google as an example. Google pays content creators on their niches according to their niches. The cost per click on niches are different. People who are into tech niches on Google, people who are into pharmaceutical niche, real estate and finance niche, they earn more because their niche is more valuable. The cost per click in their niche is high. Okay, a content creator who would make content in YouTube around the real estate or the pharmaceutical or the finance area makes more money than a content creator who just make vlogging or gossip niche, because the cost per click in those, let me just call those big niches, the band A niches, those niches, the cost per click there is more higher than the cost per click in gossip or just vlog or lifestyle niche. So what Facebook did, Facebook intentionally adopted the Google, or let's say the YouTube revenue payments. So if you're maybe experiencing a drop in your earning on Facebook, just like the almighty Lucky Udo, please just know that Facebook or just re-strategized in revenue payment. They didn't just do it just like that. They rather switch in a way they pay content creators based on their niches. If you are experiencing drop in revenue, just like the almighty Lucky Udo is experiencing such drop in revenue, this is my advice to you. Make content that are related to one of these band A niches I just said, which are the tech niche, the pharmaceutical, finance, real estate. These are the band A niches because the cost per click they are higher than the cost per click in maybe gossip niche. Because somebody like Lucky Udo, he does stories, content where he shares stories of people. Advertisers won't place enough ad or costly ad on those kind of niches. That is why he's experiencing such kind of drop in revenue. And I know somebody like you who is in similar condition might be experiencing something like that. So my advice to you is that you either start switching niche to make content that in the band A niche, or what you just have to do is that you just need to find a way to increase your views. If you're already in a niche like the Lucky Udo niche, just find a way to increase your views by getting more viewers to come to your page. But if you are not still getting views, you just need to find a way. Go through my channel and find more videos on how to increase your views on Facebook, because that will be the only help you can get if you are not into the band A niches. And if you find this video very helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you can try to share this video so that it will get to Lucky Udo, please do such, because I would like him to listen to this video and know that his problem is from just these things I just said. Thank you for watching, and bye.